going on, guys? You're watching Days of Pain and Victory. I'm Josh, and today we're going to check out these lights by Novsight. So Novsight reached out to me, and they wanted me to try out some of their lights, and they sent me these 3-inch LED light pods. I think this is going to be perfect fit for the Big Chief. First, let's check these things out. Probably going to need these later. Man, this wiring looks really high quality. Yeah, it's the entire harness. Pretty much plug and play. Looks like got power, negative, little relay, so just a few wires to hook up. Then everything else is just plug and play. That is awesome. Even got the switch there. So that looks nice and easy. Alright, so here are the light pods. Got these little black covers. Those look pretty sweet. They feel pretty high quality. I mean, they've got some weight to them. I noticed the plugs have a little gasket there. So they should be pretty water resistant, which will be great for the Jeep. Also comes with these amber covers, so it'll be cool to see what those look like. Just little brackets. Seem to be cut out pretty well. See how they fit on here. Oh yeah, that'll be good. In the hardware. So the instructions say you want to attach that red wire to your positive end of your battery and then the black wire to the negative. On my Jeep, I have a kill switch that kills all power. I'm actually going to run those wires in the cab right after that kill switch. That way I can shut everything down. But if you're installing this on a rig that doesn't have a kill switch, you're just going to hook up your red wire to the positive end of your battery and the black wire to the negative end of the battery, and then you'll probably put your relay somewhere in the engine compartment. I'm going to be putting all of that kind of stuff in the cab, which will make it a little more protected, and then plus being able to kill all power is ideal for me in case of a rollover or something. That's the back of the battery kill switch. I'm going to grab the positive wire after the kill switch, probably right over there on the side of the starter solenoid. And then in these older vehicles, pretty much everything is steel and it's all grounded, so you can literally grab your ground from anywhere. So I'm going to ground to the dash. On a newer vehicle where there's a lot more plastic, it will be more beneficial to go directly to that battery or a known ground in the engine compartment. But on this thing, the whole thing is steel, the whole thing is grounded. So we'll just grab a ground right on the dash. All right, got the wiring pulled through this hole where my power wires go through. And they're just coming up over the fender well here, and through where my winch cables go through. And there's plenty of wire. And so what I'll do after I get the wiring hooked up under the dash, so I'll mount these lights and then tidy up the wires from the lights back, and then there's probably gonna be plenty of wire that I'm just gonna have to kind of zip tie together like this. But let's get the wiring under the dash hooked up. See the red wires there on the side of the starter solenoid, and then got the relay and the ground right there. So I'll put my dash back together here, and then we'll be hooking up the lights. The switch mounts with the peel and stick backing, and I'm probably not going to stick with this switch in the long term, but in the short term to get these going, we're just going to stick that right there and just zip tie the wires under the dash. I do want to get a couple more of these switches. This one's for my light bar. This spot here is reserved for my rock lights underneath, but might change this out for like a 3 or 4 panel switch and get one of these rocker style switches for these pods as well. But for now, this will work just fine, and we'll just go right down here. We'll go over here so the wire doesn't. Cool. All right, so I'm just gonna center the hole for the bracket in the middle of my bumper here, and that'll just make it easy to get a wrench in there. And then I want the edge of the pod to be kind of close to the edge of the bumper there. So figure out what that dimension is. It's like about 1.5 inches in. Black Sharpie on a black bumper. We'll see how that works out. I've mentioned this before, but I love these spring tools. They are freaking awesome. Using a 5/16 drill bit. Man, I really like the looks of those. I think that's gonna be good. So now I'm going to take a few minutes, tidy up this wiring, and then we'll go ahead and try to turn them on. Yeah, those look really good. Threw the grill back in too. The wire's all tidied up, nice behind the grill there. It's pretty good. All right, let's flip these things on. The real test will be tonight when it gets dark, but let's at least see if we wired it right. Light came on. Yeah. I mean, he can't tell in the camera at all, but they look good. Let's snap those amber covers on. All right, well, check back with you tonight when it gets dark. We'll flip these bad boys on and see how far out we can see. So pretty excited. Very easy installation and feels like a pretty dang good product. We'll see how long they last. I'm excited to try them out. Those are pretty bright. I'm pretty happy with that. That's pretty cool. So again, super easy install. I feel like they're pretty good quality. I'm excited to see how long they last. I'm excited to do some night wheeling. So I'll put a link down in the description below where you can pick up a set of these Novsight 3-inch LED pods. Put them on your wheeling rig, put them on your tow rig, even daily driver, I think. Yeah, I'm excited to try them out to do some night wheeling. All right, thanks for watching. Wheel it, wreck it, wrench it, repeat. See you next time.